Alright guys, so I had to change my spot because there's a power cut and there's beautiful rain happening outside and I love it. Alright, so I was doing the reading for Capricorn, and let's start with Capricorn. Hi Capricorns, welcome to your zodiac reading. So this is going to be your reading for the mid-month of April. So it is going to be from 15th to the 30th. We are going to see the energies. We will see the present situation that is going on with you, and then we will also be looking at what to expect in the next 15 days. So how you understand whether this is resonating with you or not. So understand the current situation. If this is resonating, then pretty much I think the next 15 days, whatever we pick up will resonate with you. So understand this is general. Sometimes it might resonate, sometimes it might not. Also, you can follow me on Instagram. It's Mishi Blue Tarot Official. I do daily 3-card readings over there, so let me know. All right, you can check me out over there. So let's look at your current situation. Also enjoy the sound of the rain. What's going on with Capricorn? Let's see. Current situation for Capricorn. The King of Cups. The World, the Temperance, and the Eight of Swords. All right. Okay, so currently Capricorn, what I'm picking up is that you're confused about someone. Okay, you're not very sure, you're conflicted. And this could be an outcome of your overthinking. The reason why you're conflicted about this person or this situation, whatever, however you want to put it across. I am seeing that this person, the reason for your conflict could be that this person does not express themselves. And you're not sure if you will be able to balance this out all by yourself. You don't know, you're not sure, okay? I am seeing also that somewhere you've thought so much about this connection or this situation. This is about trust. Okay, and I think that is your lesson in this connection, because we have two major arcanas, the World and the Temperance. So, okay, I'm not even saying connection because this is general. So it can be a connection. It can also be a situation in your life. And that is the lesson. You have to break free from this chain of overthinking. You're overthinking a lot about something. All right. And that is what is causing a lot of problems for you. So now let's see what to expect in the next 15 days for Capricorns. Next 15 days, the Hanged Man, the Judgment. Oh my God, I have like 4 major arcanas here. 7 of Pentacles and the Sun. Okay, so here what I feel is that your overthinking is just too much of thinking. And I do see you getting some clarity about the kind of happiness you can get in this connection. You could be walking away from the reason why you always overthink. Could be a past pattern, could be a reason from the past that you always tend to overthink. And I'm seeing you walk away from that whole pattern. Okay, slowly. It is going to be slow because I'm seeing Pentacles. So yes, you will start reconsidering, which is a good thing. Reconsideration is always very good and I appreciate that. And that reconsideration is going to come due to some divine downloads, the Judgment. You will get clarity because we have the first card as Hanged Man. Maybe the first, I think till the first week of after 15th of April, which is basically 16th, 17th, 18th, 19th and 20th. The first 5 to 7 days, you're not going to do anything. But after that, I see you taking action. Maybe after the 7th day, I see you doing something. You might be walking away from that pattern of not believing or overthinking. You might be leaving that behind. Let's see what else. King of Pentacles. Yeah, I see you inviting this person or either this person might invite you, or I basically see that, you know, you will become comfortable. You will no longer be in that overthinking zone of, like, you know, just constantly thinking and not being able to come to a conclusion, that energy. Yeah, you will do your research and come to this conclusion to not analyze so much at this point, and you will win. I think you will overcome this situation. You will overcome this situation with a lot of power, and you will get what you deserve. I see you like literally breaking free from that chain of constant overthinking, constant analyzing, not knowing what to do, all of that energy. I see you coming out of there. Okay? Alright, so now let me pick up an advice from the universe for you. What should you know right now? Or what should you know for the days from 15th to the 30th of April, Capricorn? What do you need to know? What is the advice? Do all things in moderation. There you go. Boom. You can't overthink about everything. You have to be stable in your mind. Okay, do it in moderation. Shine your light, and that's how you're going to overcome this situation and be the best version of yourself. Only if you are in moderation. We have the temperance here, and that will raise your vibration. Okay, so understand this thing that, you know, overthinking is not going to lead you anywhere. You have to follow the art of moderation. Temperance is your card. Okay, you should, okay, if there are any fears from the past, you should fight it, you should face it. Okay, and don't let your past rule your present and basically blackmail your future. You can't do that. Okay, and every situation is not going to be the same. It differs. Okay, you have to understand that you can't compare apples to oranges. All right, so follow this if you can, and in the next 15 days I actually see you overcoming that fear. Okay, follow this. All right, okay, that is what I have for you guys. Capricorn, let me know if this made sense to you, and if this resonated, please let me know in the comments. I would really love to hear from you, and take care. Private readings are open. The description is, the details are there in the description. So I hope to hear from you regarding the feedback on this reading. Your comments really matter. Take care. Bye.